I'm gonna do it like this. Yeah. How to do is to replace his flower. See, they died. And you know what? I'm gonna switch the plug. I'm gonna put the flower over here. See, and the plug over here. There you go. And it's a little bit hot. Glad that we're able to visit her.